welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping by the end of it you'll want to hit that subscribe button. So I got in the mail today my new Haus Labs concealer. I got two different shades. We're going to be trying that out. I was looking, I've seen it pretty much all over online that people are saying it has the best coverage, it's full coverage, it's amazing. But here is what it says on the website. First off, it's a $32 concealer. And it says about the revolutionary formula, supercharged with 20 plus ingredients that deliver functional skincare benefits, including brightening with niacinamide, helping to reduce redness and irritation with patent pending fermented arnica, don't know what that is, plumping and hydrating with hyaluronic acid. It visibly depuffs under eyes after 2 weeks. That is asking a lot of a concealer. All right, so let's get into trying it. Okay, so I am in the middle of my makeup, but I have not done my under eye concealer. So I'm gonna do that now, and guess what I have? Haus Labs. So excited to try this. You have no idea. Well, you probably do, because you're probably seeing it and we're like, yes, I wanna try it, I wanna try it. I got two different shades. So what did I get? I got 24 light, medium, neutral. And then, oh gosh, 31 medium neutral. So excited. We need a damn beauty blender. No, let's try it with a brush. One of these babies has to work. We have a Real Techniques, a Morphe, and a Luxie. All right, so which one are we gonna try? Should we go with the light? That might be too light. Let's try that one. All right. That's what the wand looks like. It was kind of like snug getting it out. All right, let's see. Okay. Put some here. We're going to put some here. Cover up my situation here. All right, let's try the smallest brush. Well, no, the medium one. Let's try that one first. It's blending okay. It's definitely full coverage. I kind of like my eye a little bit lighter though. So what do you say we go in with the lighter one? Let's try it. All right. We'll add a little bit more. A little bit more. This has been going viral, I'm pretty sure. A lot of people are talking about this. We're just gonna put, oh, that's not as, okay, it looks lighter on camera than what it actually is. So that's not bad. I think we might be able to work with this. Okay. Now we're gonna set her, and we're gonna use this Real Techniques brush, and we're gonna put some powder. Let's do some powder. Let's do a translucent powder so we can see exactly, you know, we're not lightening it anymore. We can get what actually the concealer is doing. We can see it. That's pretty nice. I'm going to take my time doing my under eye, and I'll be back with a report. It does feel like skin. Obviously, I'm using it for the first time. It is a full coverage. The shade match finder actually did really well. I think these two shades are going to work out well for me. They were $32 a piece, so it's a little bit more on the pricey side, but now I'm thinking I might want to try the foundation, which is $45. What do you guys think? Do you want me to do like a review, a wear test? Because this is really just my first impressions. I am going to be using it pretty much every day because I want to see if over the next 2 weeks it actually does help my under eyes. Wouldn't you want to know? I think that that's pretty cool. Anyhow, I've seen a lot of reviews so far. They've all been good. Have you seen any reviews that were not so good? Would you let me know that down in the comments? And thank you for taking the time to watch this quick first impressions. I really do appreciate you guys so very much. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, would you take a chance on this channel? I'd love to get to know you, and I would want you to get to know me. I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.